5 класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, страница 57. English, Spotlight 5, My Family, Homework, page 57. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now, repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we begin our English lesson. Open your books, please. Page number 57. Exercise number 3, letter A. Use your dictionary to explain words from 1 to 9. What part of speech are they? С помощью словаря объясните значение слов с 1 по 9. И какая часть речи у них. We must do exercise number 3, letter A. The answer. Cool. Классный. Прилагательное adjective. Kind. Добрый. Прилагательное adjective. Sweet. Сладкий. Прилагательное adjective. Clever. Умный. Прилагательное adjective. Friendly. Дружелюбный. Прилагательное adjective. Noisy. Шумный. Прилагательное adjective. Funny. Смешной, забавный. Прилагательное adjective. Naughty. Непослушный, шаловливый. Прилагательное adjective. Caring. Заботливый, внимательный. Прилагательное adjective. Exercise number 3, letter B, page number 57. Which adjectives describe Kate's family members? Tell the class. Her father is cool. The answer. Her father is cool. Her mother is clever. Her brother is naughty but caring. Her grandma is kind and friendly. Her grandpa is funny. Her sister is sweet but noisy. Exercise number 4, page number 57. Speaking. Use the adjective in exercise number 3 to talk about your family. What's your sister like? She's naughty and noisy. Boys and girls, look at the list, please. Page number 57. Exercise number 4. The answer. What is your sister like? She's sweet and funny. What's your dad like? He's cool and friendly. What's your mother like? She's kind and caring. Look at the page, please. Exercise number 5. Grammar. Can, ability. Can, мочь. Мочь что-то делать. I can play football. I can play the guitar. And so on. Affirmative. Повествовательные предложения. I, you, he can speak English. Отрицательный, negative. I can't speak English. You can't speak English. Interrogative. Вопросительный. Can I speak English? Can you speak English? Short answers. Короткие ответы. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Yes, you can. No, you can't. Letter B. Use Kate's diary to complete sentences. from 1 to 5 with can or can't. Number 1. Jane can play the guitar. Jane can play the guitar. Emma can't walk. Helen can make cookies. Dad can't speak Russian. Ben can make people laugh. Exercise number 6, page number 57. Ask and answer questions about what you, your family can, can't do. The answer. Can your mother play the piano? No, she can't. She can play the guitar. Can you play football? No, I can't. And so on. Exercise number 7. Exercise number 7, page number 57. Read the table and examples. We use subject pronouns before the verb. She sings well. We use object pronouns after the verb. Listen to her. We use possessive adjective before nouns. This is my book. Translate these sentences. Exercise number 7. Мы используем личные местоимения перед глаголом. She sings well. She. Мы используем объектные местоимения после глагола. Listen to her. Her. Мы используем притяжательные прилагательные или местоимения перед существительными. This is my book. Это моя книга. My. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 8, page number 57. Fill in the correct pronoun or possessive adjective. Вставьте правильное местоимение или притяжательное прилагательное. The answer. This is my brother. Look at him. My favorite food is pizza. I love it. Anne's my friend. I see her every summer. Is John here? Can you give him this book? Susan is my best friend. I can tell her all my secrets. Tom, can I ask you something? Look at that boy. What's his name? This is your book. It's got your name in it. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 9, page number 57. Write a diary page about your family. Use Kate's secret diary as a model. Напишите страничку дневника о вашей семье. Примените или употребите секретный дневник Кати как модель. Exercise number 9. The answer. My family. My mother is Nina. She's 37 and she's housewife. I have a younger sister. Her name is Masha. She's 5. She has got a lot of toys and she likes to play with her dolls. My dad's name is Vadim. He is 41 and he's an engineer. He likes to take us to picnics on Sundays. Sometimes he takes us to our grandma. She is 60 years old. She is kind and friendly. My dear friends, the lesson is over. Goodbye.